Welcome to the Random Trader Series 2022 and beyond. This is episode 9. Let's dig into the charts. And real quick, before we get started, the why of the Random Trader Series. There's 2 reasons that I created the Random Trader video series, and it was designed, number 1, to prove that you can enter a trade at any time, any direction, with no stop loss and win, debunking the need for complex trade entry strategies. And number 2, to emphasize that trade management is the key to Forex profits. Now let's get on with today's episode. So yesterday we took a trade and it is in profit. Let's go look at the account history and I'll tell you what I did. We are in profit $8.74 on that last random trade. And what I did on the chart here is I went back in history and I put a vertical and a horizontal line exactly where we took that GBPAUD sell trade. And you can see that the price immediately went against us. Let's measure how much. So the price went against us about 30 pips. And then you can see it came all the way down as low as about 35.7 pips. What I felt like it was going to do, and you can see that it did, it just kind of hovered here and went sideways the rest of the day. So that's why I took profit at $8.74. Now, I did not set a take profit yesterday when I took the trade. Normally, I will try to do that. Just a general thing. Just why do I do that? So if I walk away and the price moves in that direction, I'll just go ahead and take profit, get out of the trade. So again, another random trade in profit. So we've taken a total of 4 random trades, you can see here in the history, and a total profit of $30.56. However, I want you to understand conceptually that you could bid a much higher amount and make a lot more money. Professional Forex traders trade using MetaTrader 4 in the cloud with their own VPS or virtual private server. A VPS is a Windows-based computer in the cloud that runs 24/7 with the fastest speeds and the highest internet connectivity. If you are running automated robots or accessing a copy trade service that sends you automated trades, you need to be connected all the time to ensure your trades are executed efficiently. To find out the best VPS service and to learn how to set up and optimize your system with the proper settings and the fastest MT4 terminal in portable mode, be sure to check the link in the description of this video. If you're on a mobile device, click the video title below to see the description area and then click the VPS link to get a full playlist of training videos on how to get up and running with your own VPS in the next few minutes. Let's take out a minute to respond to a recent comment that I thought was very interesting and very indicative of what you will hear me call the mind virus. Virus of the mind. In fact, great book written by Richard Brody. You might want to check that out. So I've been trading Forex for many, many years, and I went through a process of brainwashing myself, kind of following who I thought was doing the right thing and getting these things implanted in my brain, which frankly were wrong. So let's look at a couple of the mind viruses that are happening here in this comment. So Flight 45 UK says, yes, looks great on demo, doesn't it? That's as if to say, while he goes on and says this, let's see you do it live, then maybe you won't only show the random trades that magically seem to go the right way. So a lot going on there, okay? So let's back up a little bit. So there's this perception that demo trading is different from live trading. And the only way that it's different is emotionally. But it's not mathematically different. And that's how I trade. I'm telling you right now, I do not trade with emotions because here's why. I trade with automation. Sure, I'm doing these random trades. I'm taking them manually. But in my real live account, in my prop firm accounts, I do 99.9% automation. And if I have to intervene and recover a trade, I certainly do that. Although a trade recovery can be done with an automated robot, an automated system, and or depending on what the market's doing, depending on what your margin level is, you can also manually do it. Now, he goes on to say, let's see you do it live, right? I'm telling you right now, there's no difference. Your emotions might be different, but if you trade like I do with robots and automation and copy trading, then that really just doesn't come into play. You set the system, you manage the system, and it does what you tell it to do. Now, he goes on to say that, I say he, might be a she, they go on to say that maybe you won't only show the random trades that magically seem to go the right way. See, here's what's cool. This is unbelievable, isn't it? This is unbelievable. So you think this much, you won't only show the ones that magically seem to go the right. I'm showing every trade. Like, there's no smoke and mirrors here. I'm showing every trade. And in fact, if you watch the full length of my videos lately, what I've been doing is running a little trailer video that says, hey, if you go to this web address, it's actually fxwithterry.com/account login. I'll let you log into the exact MT4 account on mobile device, on desktop, whatever you want. I give you the username and password. You can log right in and see the numbers. There's no magically showing you the ones that went the right way. They'll all go the right way in my eyes, because even if it goes the wrong way, I'm going to recover it and then make it in the end be the right way. Now, you also go on to say, what's the magic recovery system? I just haven't needed it. It's not magic. It's just simple math, right? But I haven't needed it. I'll guarantee you in this video series, when we get to a trade, and I said it today in today's episode, that goes like 100 pips against me. If I'm bidding $1, that's about $100 against me. I will show the exact recovery process. And again, you can log right into the account and follow it live. You can see the numbers. There's no faking it. There's no video editing. The numbers are the numbers. You can see the exact numbers that I'm showing on the screen. You go on to say, funny you don't show it in action. This is a really skeptical person. And skepticism is okay, but I'm being completely upfront. So what has happened a lot of times with the mind virus concept, you see so much crap, you're like, I'm not going to believe anything. So, keep an open mind. And then they go on to say, because they've looked into me a little farther, also, if trading random works, which it does, if it works, why are you selling signals? I'm not selling signals. I am selling copy trades, meaning I send my exact trades from my automated system to your MT4 account, and you have complete control. You're not stuck with the number of trades. If I send you 50 trades, maybe you only want to take 3, 4, 5 of them. I show you how to do that. If I send you the trade at 10 cents, maybe you want to bid $1, $2, $3, $20. So you have full control over that. So I'm not selling you a signal. A signal is typically when you send someone, hey, here's where I would have bought at this price, and here's what my take profit would be, and maybe what your stop loss is. We're going to get into that because you mentioned that. I don't do stop loss. Stop loss, if you set a stop loss, if you set a stop, you take a loss. I'm not here to take losses other than in a basket of trades. We'll get into that. I'm not going to go into recovery process right now. So what am I selling? I'm selling a copy trade system. All that means is you're so skeptical you didn't really go take a look, because I describe it pretty well. And if you're asking me why I'm selling something, it's to help people. It's to help people get out of this crazy complex Forex trade strategy that everyone's trying to teach you. And it's to help someone get into Forex trading and get profitable day one. My system is profitable. If you know how to manage it, you can be even more profitable. So you go on to say entertaining videos. Great, cool. That's what I want. I want to entertain and I want to educate. And then you say the biggest mind virus that happens in this industry, entering trades without a stop loss, is a fast way to get poor. Here's a fast way to get poor, not entering trades. Here's a fast way to get poor. Setting a stop loss, so you set a stop so you can take a loss. That's a good way to get poor. To willingly take a loss. I do not willingly take losses. If I have to take a loss in a trade, it's in a basket, meaning the same currency pair, and I've done multiple trades on that, and my final trades are much more in profit than the original trades I went into. So for example, I take a trade that has $100 loss, and my very next trade is a $300 profit, did I really take a loss? Technically, I guess if you look at the spreadsheet, right? But money-wise, I took a $300 profit with a $100 loss. I made $200. To me, that's not a loss. It's not a loss. If you understand how to manage a trade, you do not have to set a stop loss. I'm going to prove that in this video series, so appreciate the comment. No shade towards anybody. I want to entertain, I want to educate, and I really want to help eradicate a lot of the mind viruses that are just coming out in this one comment. If someone's saying this, 100 other people are thinking it. So let's engage. Let's discuss. The more comments, the more questions you make, the more things you can engage with, the more I will engage with you and help you as much as humanly possible. So that's it. Thanks for the comment. Looking for more. Now back to the video. You could bid less, you could bid more. I'm not saying that 0.1 or $1 per pip is the perfect lot size, but it's conservative and it gives us the ability, if the trade goes against us, to go ahead and recover. We have not had to do that yet. Now, I might say out loud, what is in my mind of when I'm going to recover? I would say if we're bidding $1, that if it goes 100 pips against me, I'm going to go ahead and do my recovery process, either using an automated bot, which I have, or do it manually, and we will do both over this series. However, no sense in covering that or doing that if it's not required on this particular trade or this account. So let's get into and set up for another random trade. We'll go back to terminal here and let's go grab our currency pair list, randomize it, and take the top random trade buy or sell that it gives us. Here we are, 28 currency pairs plus US 30. Each has a buy and a sell tag attached to it. I'm going to copy this list. I'm going to go to random.org, choose the list randomizer, paste my list into the box, and click randomize. The top trade is going to be GBPAUD buy. I believe yesterday was GBPAUD sell. Interesting. So GBPAUD buy, let's go to the chart. We're going to do a buy. We're on GBPAUD. Let's go to the end of the chart here. I'm looking at the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to delete this line that I put on here. And interestingly enough, it is kind of in a buy. Looks like it's going to go sideways here, but it has been in an uptrend. This is the 5-minute. Let's look a little bit higher. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, and the 1 hour is up. Let me go ahead and delete that other line that I put on the chart. So GBP8, I mean, you can't make this up, right? It's a random trade. You know, look at the time that it took me to do that. I generated that random trade in about, 30 seconds there. So we're going to do 0.1 lot size buy. I'm going to hit buy, and we are in a trade. I'm going to come down a little bit. Let's look down to the 15-minute. And although it looks like it's topping out and going sideways, I'm going to go ahead and set a take profit here to the top of the recent high, not including the wick. And let's see how much profit that'll be. That's $23.56. I like that. Let's go ahead and sit there and we'll take that. We'll see if it goes against us or if it goes for us and takes profit. And listen, leave some comments below and tell me what you think about this. Is this a valuable series for you to see me take a random trade every day? I truly think it is. It proves a lot of points about the market being somewhat random, about all of these crazy, complex Forex trade entry strategies that they'll have you do. In the end, you can take a random trade and be profitable. You could do some very simplistic strategies like I've done in the past, like a moving average cross, like you're seeing right here. Moving average cross, candles stay above that moving average, you buy. I mean, how much would we have made here? Let's measure. If we got into a trade, we probably would have got in somewhere maybe right here, and we would be up 88 pips right now. That's really nice had you done the moving average cross. Now, I also like the RSI entry, just a very basic entry. Remember, you might say, well, moving average cross, that's so simple. RSI spike entry, overbought, oversold. Well, that's really simple. Well, simplicity is the key. But again, I'm taking a random trade. It's completely random. And I'm still winning when we won the last 4 trades. This one we're $1 in profit already. Now, is it absolute sheer luck? Absolutely. Do I believe that the market movement is sheer luck? I do. Do I believe truly, which is what I'm proving here, that trade management is the key? Just get into a trade. People sit there and spend days, weeks, hours analyzing the market. There are entire YouTube channels dedicated to analyzing what they think the price is going to do. Well, get into a goddamn trade. Get into a trade, my friend. You want to make money? Get in the market. We're up about $3, $4 right now. So that's it. Another random trade in this episode. Stay tuned. We'll find out if the trade is going to or has gone into profit, or if I have to start a recovery process. And of course, just so you know, moving forward, the recovery process goal is to bring a drawdown trade back to break even or slight profit, get out and enter another trade. And look at this. We're already $8, $7, $8, $9 in profit. So that's pretty cool for a random trade entry. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next episode.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.